Okay guys, so today I wanted to show you how to make a sticker sheet or a sticker set or a designed full sticker sheet in Cricut Design Space. I do want to say that I'm not going to do this like the proper way. I know you can set a canvas and make a canvas show up here and align your things that way. I like to actually insert a rectangle or a square and size it to be 5.5 by 3.75 inches tall. The print area, I'm using Google Chrome, so the print area for Design Space for Google Chrome is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. The sticker sheets I sell in my shop are around 5.5 inches by 3.75 inches, and that's just because I designed them so I can print them to a sheet. And I do have some what I call full page, which is the full nearly 5.5 by 8 printed area. However, I do like to sell just the smaller printed sheets because they fit in the mailers that I use. So this is going to be our canvas. This is going to be our sticker sheet. These are going to be our elements. And I just have some elements that I have designed here before and actually disassembled a sticker sheet I was making just to show you how you can do this. So these are little ombre heart checkbox things that I was working on. So what you want to do is you're going to use this white area as your canvas, and I'm actually going to change this to be like a lighter gray color or something just so you can see it. That didn't help at all, did it? Just so you can see it while we're working and not be confused as to where the canvas is. So this is going to be, when you're done, you're going to hide this square and you're going to have your sticker sheet. So what you want to do is start aligning the images, and I just held the shift key down and selected this ombre box and the large box, and I'm going to align the bottom and align left, and then I'm going to highlight all of these and the big square and align it to the bottom. And I should have moved these over closer. I don't think that my distribute horizontally button is working. So what are we doing? Align bottom. I'm going to actually copy another one of these and paste it. Paste. And so we have our little image here, and so we can also align this to the bottom, and I'm also going to align it to the right. And so the reason I'm doing that is so I'm using up all of this real estate that is the print area. So I don't have it moved in a little bit. I don't need to leave a border around this. You know, as you would trim out your sticker sheet, you might leave a border. I don't want to do that. I want to maximize my print area here. And I'm going to see if this is going to let me do it. I don't think it's going to. And my shockwave might have crashed. Hang on here. Okay, so we have all of those highlighted. I'm going to try to distribute horizontally, but it won't work for me for some reason. What this should do is make the spacing between each of these boxes even. For some reason it's not working, and I don't know why. I couldn't tell you why. So then I'm just going to bring in some other elements. Obviously you can design your sticker sheet however you want. Make sure you're using the space, using elements of design, you know, making sure it's balanced and you're using all of your real estate. That just makes, for me, it makes me as a sticker consumer happy because everything is just, you know, pretty looking. It's aesthetically pleasing. So we're just going to align these here to the left and to the right. And then you can select all of these and align the bottom. Maybe we can try to distribute horizontally again. For some reason it's not working, and you know, we can align that. I'm actually going to undo that because I ruined that. So these are all aligned, not horizontally, they're not distributed properly, but they're all aligned within this canvas. So what we can do is select it and make it a group. And we can select the other one here once this loads. So what I've done is I've just brought in some more of the elements from over here. I'm going to move these guys out of the way just because they're sort of in the way. And you can design your sticker sheet however you want it to be. So this is how our sticker sheet's going to look. So I'm going to select the gray rectangle, and I'm going to find it again here. Okay, I'm going to hide it. Now I'm going to take all of this and we're going to flatten the image. All of this can be deleted here. We're going to delete that. And when we hit go, it's going to show up and stay aligned the way that we want it to be, the way that we've designed the sticker sheet to be. So here you can see that the sticker sheet is the way we want it to be. This is how it's going to print, and we can even do another copy of it, print 2 to a page. This is how you can maximize your print area and also, you know, maximize supplies, since it's not going to print the whole 8.5 by 11 area. This is, if you look at it, it's about 5.5 by about 8, since it moves it in about an inch when you are printing it or whatnot, to include the registration marks. So we can hit go, we would print it, it would align it, and it would print one sheet, or it would print one sheet with the 2 sticker sets or sticker sheets on it, and then you can trim them down and then have, you know, 2 sets of sheets. Now I want to show you, if we hadn't flattened the image, what would have happened is the stickers would not be aligned the way that we wanted them to be in the beginning. And so we've unflattened the image, and if we were to hit go now, even though this is a group, it's going to take us to a page where everything is all separated. And so you can see here that we no longer have the teardrops rotated the way we want. This is no longer attached to these label boxes. The images for the little icons are no longer connected. Nothing's connected together. So that's why you want to make sure that you flatten the image before you hit go. That secures it as the sheet. That makes it all linked together and is better for print than cuts, or print and cut, or print then cut, whatever it's called for Cricut. And so you just flatten it, you can save it. Every time I create a sticker sheet, I put in a square, or a rectangle rather, that's 5.5 inches wide by 3.75 inches tall, and use that as the way to align the images on my sticker sheet. And I just fill, you know, my design space canvas with whatever images I want to use if I'm customizing or whatnot, and then I just stick them on there and I flatten it and I hit go, and then that's how you get a sticker sheet image. I hope that makes sense. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say when I say sticker sheet, or, you know, sticker set or whatnot, that you can actually design a set of stickers to print a certain way in a certain configuration that you like, rather than having, you know, maybe just this one thing fill the whole page. It's easier to use your, design skills to create a nice little set that you can either use yourself or for a shop or something like that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it around. I would love for people to view this video. I would love for people to learn that they can use Cricut Design Space, they can use the Cricut software, they can use the Cricut Explore to create planner stickers or stickers in general. You don't have to necessarily have a silhouette machine. That Cricut can do it as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.